Geely's EX5 has made a big statement in Europe's safety world, scoring an impressive 5-star rating in the 2025 Euro New Car Assessment Program. That top score is not easy to earn, but the EX5 proves that Geely is taking safety seriously for both families and everyday drivers. In adult occupant protection, the EX5 scored 86%, and child occupant protection reached 87%. For vulnerable road users such as pedestrians and cyclists, it received 83%, and the same score of 83% applied to its safety assistance systems. These numbers are not just impressive, they show how well-rounded the X5 is in real-world protection. During the frontal offset crash test, the vehicle held up well, with strong protection for knees and femurs of both driver and passenger. However, a few structural issues were flagged, like torn metal and detached welds around the A-pillar base. This led to a small deduction, but Geely presented solid evidence proving the structure would not fail in more extreme crashes. Side crash performance was solid too. Both the barrier and pole tests showed good or adequate protection in all areas. The EX5 also comes with a center airbag, which helps keep front passengers from colliding with each other during side impacts. For kids, the EX5 really stands out. It got full marks when tested with dummies representing 6 and 10-year-olds, showing that Geely did not cut corners when it comes to families. The front passenger airbag can also be deactivated, allowing for safe installation of rearward-facing child seats. Safety features include a driver monitoring system to detect drowsiness or distraction, a lane support system that guides the car back if it starts to drift, and an automatic emergency braking system that responds to cyclists and pedestrians effectively. While the EX5 includes a child presence detection system, it did not meet Euro New Car Assessment Program's strict requirements for a reward. This all makes the EX5 a smart choice for anyone looking for next-level protection. If you appreciate safe, smart design, this one is worth a look. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss more safety reviews just like this one.